Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. It's officially 11, golly. I'm already ahead in time right now. It's officially 9:20. Good morning, folks. Hopefully you guys had a solid Wednesday. We got 2 more days of trade here. And today is your day. You're going to focus on your rules. You're going to execute following your rules, and you're going to see the results you want. Good morning. Good morning, Smooth. Let me actually get my lines going. So that way we're prepared. We got 10 o'clock news today and 10:30 news per my Tradeify economic calendar. We've been hugging this area for all the overnight for the most part. The close from yesterday has been a point where the market's been holding at. So that means 2 things. We've been consolidating in this area for quite a while. Are we going to pop or are we going to drop? That's going to be the $1 million question for the day. Steven, good morning, sir. Let's see. Oh, that's looking good. We'll take that. All right, 9:25. I'll give you all the stats, everything like that I'm looking at. I'm looking at this market as well currently, just trying to see what we may get, what we may not get. So we're below that range from yesterday. What's up, Brad? Good morning. Yeah, I want to see how we react at open today, because for me personally, we're above this VWAP, above the 21, above the close from yesterday. I want to see some good movement today. What y'all think? We going up or down today? That's the $1 million question. We going sideways today? Oh, get those heebie-jeebies out my chat, Travis. Get those heebie-jeebies out my chat. I hope we don't go sideways today. If we do, we do. I got a base hit one of my accounts for today and tomorrow for another payout on it. So hopefully I can at least knock out a decent base hit on it. So that way tomorrow I just got a flip, so to speak. And so we could get those payouts.
Muhammad T, huh?
What's up, Steve? Good morning.
I was gonna tell you, if you look in discussion on the group, Ninja Traders change. If you haven't updated, because I didn't update to 8.1 or whatever.
Yeah.
And it could be just because I have like brokerage accounts, but it bricked me like pretty much. It kept cutting off because it went to like Continuum. It's called. So it's like a new 3.0 bullshit.
Okay.
You know, some IT asshole decided to he had to earn his money and change it. So there's like, I did put it in the community discussion.
Okay, I'll check it out. Yeah, I know they were getting rid of the Ninja Trader Continuum.
Well,
That connection.
Like, they changed it to something else. It's still called a Continuum, I think. But you could read the thing. I connected. I left a link, and but it kept shutting off in the middle of the night with my trade. So I'm like ready to go find the guy's home address and send him a fruit basket at this point.
A fruit basket. Well, hopefully everything works fine today for us.
I'm just gonna vent. Like, these fuckers come into a job and like, I gotta change everything to prove that I'm here, and it's like, no, if it works, it works.
Yep, don't change it. Don't fix it if it ain't broke.
Yeah, you think of the premium lift that you do, like squats, bench, Bulgarian split squat. Somebody has to come and like change that. It just works.
I am actually down 7 pounds from when I first started with my trainer.
Hear a Jenny Craig commercial this early in the morning, but congratulations.
So I'm excited. Because if I can just keep that going for the next couple months, your boy's happy.
You'll be like 14 pounds by the end of the year.
Yeah, not sure I'll be no 14 pounds. I can never get that low. What's up, Yes? Good morning. Travis sitting on the sidelines today. Well, I'm waiting to see if we get a move a day. I'm praying to baby Jesus that we are not chopping today like yesterday, because I want some clean movement today. Right now, yes, we're more of a consolidation than printing flags right now. For my eyes, we're in a consolidation zone where from consolidation the move happens. So we're going to be waiting, anticipating what we got going on today. We got less than 3 minutes for a market open here. Less than 3 minutes. Let's mentally prepare. We got 10 o'clock news and 10:30 news. So let's see how that moves the markets today as well. What's up, PL? Good morning. Hopefully we're all ready to execute some trades today. Oh, let me give you all the stuff. All right, the close from yesterday, 25,039, 25,039. The 21 EMA is currently sitting right at 25,043.25, 25,043.25. The VWAP sitting down there at 25,017.25, 17.25 on my 2-minute chart here. Let's look for some pivots. We got a pivot well above us at the 412.25, 412.25 above us. Let's look for the pivot below us here. Then we got a pivot below us down at 883.75, 883.75. So let's see what we get here. I ain't risking it for the biscuit. We're going to wait to see what the market gives us. And that's it. PO, it may be boring, but we're going to wait for our moves, brother. What platform are you using? I execute my trades on Ninja Trader in Tradeify, and then I do all my charting on TradingView. Smooth. Are you on Ninja Trader? Are you on TradingView? Are you on Tradeify? What are you on? Ninja? And you've disconnected and reconnected? Are you trading prop firms or personal funds, Smooth? I've never traded with TradeStation. All right, we're getting this little candle here. Is this going? Well, there's market open. That's weird, Smooth. Because normally with the prop firms, you'll have the correct bar timer. All right, I'm waiting for the first 15 minutes here. Waiting the first 15 minutes for the market to settle before we start to execute trades. I like playing it safe, folks. I like playing it safe. We ain't risking it. We want those payouts. You feel me? So no reason to risk it just to risk it. We got some people in the legacy that are working on some payouts as well. Simply base hit, and that's all you got to do. Base hits gets the payouts. Even if you're trading personal funds, base hits gets you payouts. I don't care what you trade. If you do base hits, you will always print money. Good morning, Rob. A very, I want to say a slightly calm open so far. Not as volatile as I was hoping it may be for us today for that first market open candle. But yeah, we're here. We're waiting. Oh, let's not do that. Computer's getting ready to go to sleep on me. It's tired. It's saying, boss, I'm tired.
Last night, like my computer, as soon as I went under trade, it's like, you have an update. And it's like, go away. And then it's just like, and then Ninja Trader finally bricked me on that other thing. I'm just like, Urgh.
Gus, go with Lucid. Go with Lucid, bro. It'll be like $80 for a 50K account. Yes. On the 50K accounts with Lucid, they max you at 2K per payout. So in essence, you can only take out $8 grand a month from that account.
Shit, man, that's not gonna work for me. Yeah, another thing that I noticed, Dwayne, is since I updated, it's taking away some of the latency because I was getting that blue line all the time.
Yeah.
So you might just check that article. You have any other questions or you want to put it another way, then I can show you exactly.
Yeah, I may need to update mine as well because I have not updated mine in like a couple of them. A couple of the updates.
Because if you go to connections, like in your dashboard, under the new thing, you need to put in addition to your My Connections, you need to put in connect to live and simulation on that same screen to bring everything together.
Okay.
But I just tried it and it seems like it's behaving pretty good.
Hey, we like when it's behaving.
Yeah, it's been being a jerk lately.
Well, we came down to this 21 EMA sitting right on top of it. Now we're right below it. Back to this 39 level, the close from yesterday. Market likes this 39 level, I gotta say. Come on, Betsy. I got less than 11 minutes left where I'm clear to trade. Want to make some money. We got the VWAP below us. Looks like we're getting ready to tap that bad boy. There's the tap. Right through it. Ooh. Congrats on getting the 2 fundeds with Lucid. Yes, that's awesome. What do I recommend step by step? One, if you're going to trade with Ninja Trade, download it. It's free to download it, everything like that. Once you get your prop firm account, then you'll use your prop firm credentials. You will log into Tradeify to sign your documents. From there, you'll go back to Ninja Trader to input your trading credentials so your account could be active on Ninja. And then, honestly, Gus, learn a simple strategy that you can print money with. Bro, open Lucid dashboard. Yeah, I saw that, the little box like Call of Duty. Are we getting ready to build like maybe a little bear flag? Who knows right now? Just waiting.
Where do you see a bear flag?
I said, are we going to be building a bear flag?
Okay, I was like, wait a second.
I did not say we have a bear flag. I said, are we going to build a bear flag?
No, because like one of the things this thing was doing is it would pause and it would be like, okay, why am I not progressing? So that's why I was also on.
Hopefully today's not a chop day. Because just looking at this push right now from these bulls ain't getting me excited.
We just need some good, solid moves.
Yep. Gus, I always recommend Tradeify then Lucid. Use code LWS with Tradeify. That'll get you 40% off. And then use code VAULT with Lucid. That'll get you 40% off over there as well. Bitcoin to the moon? Is it pumping right now? I haven't looked at Bitcoin in a minute. Come on, Betsy. I got 7 more minutes before I can start trading. I may need to get some more XRP since it's sitting at $1.30, 33. Yes, that's crazy, bro. Ari up 1.4 for the day. Congrats, fam. I wish I could take credit for it, but you're the one clicking the buttons, brother. Congrats. I did not like that little glitch twitch on the Rinkos there.
Act like you on the dance floor.
Come on, Betsy. We got this selling pressure here, but we're going to see. We're going to see. Today's another gloomy day in Florida. Can't get enough of them. Can't get enough of them.
Well, wait a second. Here's the deal. Like, I waited this late in spring to order my maggots to start building my main systems, and they're solar powered, so I couldn't even put them out yesterday. Like, come on, man. It's maggot season, baby.
Yeah, that's annoying. Yes, I'm glad you feel like you learned a lot from me.
Did you put your maggots out yet, Duane?
I have not, Steve. I have not.
I'm gonna see if I could get them out later on today. I got the bin in the sun, get some of that energy in it.
Okay. Yeah, I'll have to do that on my end, Steve. All right, we're sitting right on top of this 21 EMA here. We need to lose that 21. Looking like a little bear flag on that 2-minute chart. Let's see. Got some buying pressure, but let's just wait. I'm waiting. 945 can't come fast enough. Come on, Betsy. Gold's recovering. Okay. We pushed more than 50% of the poll. So at this point, I would not be looking for a bear flag. We did push more than 50% of the poll. So at this point, the bear flag for me would not be my play that I want at this point. If it so happens, not as happy about it, to be honest. I have 2 computer screens. I have 2 laptops open. Yeah, we're getting ready to probably go to that high of the 15-minute range so far. Would love to see a flag right now. Would love to see us a flag. A bull flag, a bear flag. I don't care. Just a flag.
An American flag?
American, any type of flag right now. So, we did make a new high for this 15-minute range. 109. 109 is the current high of the 15-minute range. We got less than 2 minutes. We got less than 2 minutes for this range to be completed. PO, 2 is more than enough if you have a simple strategy, brother. I print money with my 2 screens.
Yeah, I think after a while it becomes kind of just like a over-complex. For me, anyway.
Yep, less is more.
Even back in the day when I used to edit, people would have all this crap, and I'd be like, you know, it's like, can you do the work, or are you just like, are you just gonna like be a rapper talking about the brands that you use?
Yeah, I do want to get. I've been talking about for way too long. I just need to pull the trigger. I've just been so comfortable with my current setup. That's why I haven't tried changing it.
Yeah. Well,
getting a vertical screen and a horizontal So that way I can have like the chat and everything on the vertical so I can see that going and have more real estate on the horizontal screen.
Yeah, now I want to get a triangle screen here just because.
A triangle screen? Just to say you got it, right?
Yeah.
Are we going to get us a bull flag? Come on, Betsy. Show us what you're trying to do. There's 9:45. We're now waiting. Less than a minute now. Well, actually, range is getting ready to be completed. Range is officially completed. Range is officially completed. So the low of this 15-minute range, the low of the 15-minute range is 25,019. 25,019 for the low. Our current high is 111.50. 111.50 is the high of the range. So let's keep that in mind so we could prepare to execute a trade.
Control F12, build myself a box.
Let's see if we get some momentum here right now. Very slow and steady. What's up, Captain?
Bro, he's back.
Different captain, different captain. This one's
Okay.
Dropship Captain. It's not BP. It's not BP.
No, I know. Super BP.
Okay. Well, getting some random movement right now in the markets.
Oh, was there any news today, Duane?
We got news at 10. We got news at 10 today.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, Nellies. What a day. What a day so far. It's only 9:47. Market's moving slow. And since it's going so slow, let me move this line up just slightly. Keep myself out of it a little bit longer.
Yeah, it's like, lately, like, even if it's got momentum when you jump in the trade, it seems like it always has a hiccup. It's like there's not as many moves that just shoot into the moon, like, once it goes through the line.
Yeah. All right, we're through the middle of the 15-minute range there.
15 minutes strange. Wait, we're in the middle of the 15-minute range, Wade? What?
Yeah, where we don't diddle in the middle.
We don't blow nobody.
Money is the root to all evil. No, money is not the root to all evil. The love of money is the root of all evil, sir. If you love money more than everything else, that's where it becomes bad for you.
Yeah, take your poverty somewhere else.
Because money is a powerful thing in the right hands.
Yeah, I know people like that. It's like, okay, keep working as a janitor. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I mean, the world does need its share of ditch diggers, so.
Yeah, not everybody could just be printing money, trading every day and living the best life,
Take that evil. Yeah.
Why do they keep gatekeeping us from it? Who's gatekeeping money from us? If you feel like it's being gatekept from yourself, you're not doing enough. That's simple. Because there's too much money out there for everyone to get.
Yeah. I mean, I'll tell you, like, one story I did, Duane. Like, this is back in E-Triple-T era. I was doing those canvas prints, and I bought up some old media from World War II, like pictures that didn't have copyright. And there was one that I found. I made $36,000 selling it again and again and again as like a nice framed um, framed items. So I
That's
mean, it's like,
crazy.
it's out there, but it's like one of those things. Could I do that today? No. It kind of fizzled out at the end, but I was able to use that as a springboard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And onto the next.
Yeah.
Money's out there.
It's out there.
You just hit on an idea and you go with it.
That's
I
it.
did 36 on my first day, but I had a lot of stuff that I put time in and didn't go. But when that one hit, I paid for everything.
Yeah. There's the 21 EMA tap right there once again.
So, Dr. D, do you think we're heading down to the lower side now?
Possibly. I'm just right now the way the market's moving. I'm not excited for it.
Well, I'm yawning too. I'm just asking a general question.
I'm yawning too. There's that 39. All right, here comes that VWAP. If we get through this 39 level, the market's not crashing whatsoever. I need me a flag. I need me a flag here. There's the VWAP.
His English is going backwards all of a sudden. It's kind of like one of those, like, need me a flag. It's like Eastern Kentucky all of a sudden. Need me a flag.
Need me a flag.
Well, if you're looking at it now, it kind of had that bear flag and kind of in the middle, and then we'll see what we got here. Let's take it downtown.
If we get below that VWAP with some follow through, I may take the short.
Yeah, I agree on getting through the VWAP. You don't want to short into a wick.
That I don't want us bouncing off that VWAP as well.
Yep. No, thank you. You've taught me all this stuff, man, and I appreciate it.
Well, I'm glad you've been willing to learn, sir. Creeping down. All right, there's the VWAP tab.
VWAP tab, baby. You'd like it to build a flag below the VWAP.
Well, I may target the low of that 15-minute range if we get some good momentum here. Well, we just broke out of the range.
All right, Duane, I'm done.
Hey, let's go.
450, I'm done.
Congrats, fam. Congrats.
Awesome.
Mr. G just locked in his first payout of $1,500.
There it is.
G, so what were you doing to be able to get to the payout, sir?
Man, base hits. Just, base hits. Being a lot more patient, following the trend.
Okay.
That's wise words, man. Those are wise words.
No, I'm happy for you, G. I'm happy for you.
Thanks to Duane.
No, I was here, but you're the one that put the work in.
Yeah, you did it, baby.
So wait till after 5:30 when the dashboard refreshes, and you should be able to put that payout request in. But congratulations, sir, once again. Happy for you.
Yeah.
It's going down. Come on.
There's the low of that 15-minute range once again. Oh, what was that? Uh-oh. What did I click? All right. 280 on that trade. Accidentally clicked the extra button there. But I'll take that. Another base hit there.
Okay, I have a question for you, Dwayne, because it's never happened to me before.
Yeah.
My accounts list, when I was going to trade, it's showing duplicates of an account number.
That's weird.
I'm going through, like, ready to trade that account, and it's showing two of it, and it's one of my funded, but when I go to the account list, there's only one there. So, have you ever had that?
I have not. That's weird.
Why do I get all these weird things, dude?
Well, I think you're like the guinea pig for Ninja Trader. They're like, all right, Steve's on. Let's use his account to test some things.
And I love how Tradeify treats you, but man, the way they treat me, ooh.
So the duplicate, is that with the prop firm or personal?
That's personal.
Okay.
I mean, it's like...
That may be a Tradeify issue.
I mean, because the thing is like, these are 7, like, if you get your own accounts, they don't have like 1,000, like...
Yeah, it's only like
it's
five,
only
6 numbers.
Yeah, so there's 7 numbers, so there's no way I'm saying, oh, it's not the same.
Yeah.
That is weird.
Could be because you're logged into both of the connections.
I don't know, but that's how they say you have to do it now.
Okay.
And I do have my other one that's from Ninja is not having that issue. So anyway, I'll just have to take a trade at some point, like when it's good, and then see if it populates on both of them. If it's
Yeah. Just do like a micro.
Yeah, that's what I'll do.
Just so that way you're not risking anything, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, you just gave your account back.
Yeah, not trying to do that.
No, not with my one. I'll definitely put an ATM on it too.
Come on, Betsy.
All right, yeah, I heard him.
Yeah, I heard it too.
You are like the coolest operator I've ever known. You gotta pay out here just to give.
That's crazy, Steven.
Come on, Betsy.
There he is. That is so cool, man. I'm so happy for you, G.
Thank you, man. Thank you. It was worth the wait. Did it less than a year, though. But, I mean, that's good.
Hey,
7,
man.
8 months.
But you were working through a lot of different things. Like you were have to refine your psychology to trade.
Right.
Because the psychology part's the hardest part when it comes to trading. Because we think we know it, but we really don't until we lock in the psychology. Because the fact that you're able to actually stick to just base hitting, doing what you know actually works, that's what got you the result. You weren't 50% done with the account and then like, okay, let me try this. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's where a lot of people get messed up. They tried changing things or rushing things, and then they wonder why they're not getting the results they want.
Come on, Betsy. Downtown Julie Brown. Come on. You know you want to dump down.
300 on that trade as well. I don't know why. I feel like my Renkos are moving kind of weird right now. I don't know.
Mine are matching you exactly, just so you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe it's me today. Maybe it's me. My Renkos look like they're moving weird. Maybe it's just me.
I just feel like, you know, I think we all perceive it. It's kind of like the rhythm is just a little off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think it's with the whole market and it's just showing through that.
I want to learn about futures, bro. Join the Legacy Wealth Society, bro. It's free to join. It's a community for traders by traders where you learn from each other how to trade futures, how to win in futures, everything like that. Or come to these morning streams and come to the Trader Hangouts every single night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we talk trading and life.
How was that? It was that 50.
We got iPad 7 in here tonight, or well, today. Who's iPad 7? It's in the description of the stream. The Legacy Wealth Society, bros. My private trading community is free to join. I want us to break through this bottom yellow line here for me to take another trade. We just got these buying wicks down here.
Yeah, well, you look at it, they're pretty damn uniform. They're all hitting at like 22 area. So somebody's obviously throwing a lot of money at the problem right now.
Yeah. There's the VWAP once again. We get above that 39 level. I may want look for a long, but today's a simple base hit day. That's it. Yeah, look at that wick on that 5 minute. That's ugly. If you're trying to take short, seeing a candle like that is ugliness.
Yeah, that's unless you know something that you have an insider idea. That's pretty gnarly.
There's that 39 level tap. That's the close from yesterday.
39.
All right. Just did a weird little rejection right there. Almost tapped the 21 EMA, but we did not tap it. Oh, right through it. There we go. Sitting on this 21 EMA right now. Sitting on this 21. Let's see what we get. I need a flag, something. I need something here.
Hey, what is your 21 if you don't mind me asking?
My 21 is currently sitting at 46. 25, 46.
Man, we live at the same house right now.
Hey. Hey, Steve, can you bring me some water?
Yeah, also bring the maggots too.
I'll bring the maggots too. All right, let's see. Let me get another line actually. We're above the VWAP right now, so let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. That 5 minutes looking kind of interesting. not risking anything, just taking our time today.
Look at those last two candles, like, you know, the forces against each other, man.
Yeah.
That's tight.
Are we going to go through my bottom yellow line with momentum here? It's just the market's not really flowing right now the way we want. So it's like we got to be a little bit more, how do I say, cautious when it's not flowing.
Yeah, because we're not seeing the flag action, but we're getting the movement a little bit.
Yeah, but it's a slow, like yesterday, the movements were slow.
Yes.
Come on, Betsy.
Everybody's locked in, I see. Damn.
Yeah, we're patiently waiting here, bro.
Yeah, it's one of those days that you gotta just have that crazy patience, huh?
$530 right there on that trade. We'll take that. I literally need tomorrow a small little base hit. A small little base hit for another 2K payout with Lucid on that account. Where's your stop loss? My stop loss was a mental stop loss. I wasn't going to lose more than $600 on that trade. Let's rotate to the next. We're up over $1,000 already for the day. And we just keep it moving. That's it. $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away, folks. Yeah, I'm beating myself up mentally right now. Not gonna lie. Beating myself up right now because I saw 750 green. Your boy was slightly greedy. I'm like, oh, let's see if we get a little bit more. When I closed out, I only got 730 or something, like 530 on it. So that's my fault. I should have closed out when I saw the 7. But your boy did not. You know, it happens sometimes. I don't know how I'll lose money on ones you make. Smooth. Well, if you're losing on trades that I'm in, that means you're fighting the trade that I took. I did jump in on that one. I did go into drawdown about $500, but I wasn't letting it go past that. What's up, BP? Good morning, sir. And now we just wait for another move. That's all we're doing here. Oh, look at that. Right through that VWAP again. So choppy today. So choppy. I hate it. I enter short too, but still lost. Where did you enter short at, though? That's the question. If you enter short at the time I'm getting out, yes, you're going to probably lose money because I'm getting out when I see the momentum dying off. Getting ready to flip. That's why I'm in and out so quick. I get in, and as soon as I see the wrinkle bars starting to print in the opposite direction, I get out. Did it have the follow through smooth? Did it have the follow through for when you got in? We're above this 21 EMA. Ooh, Nellies. Okay, what structure were you waiting for it to break? Here comes some selling pressure. Ooh wees. We got ooh Nellies and ooh wees. What's up, Brett? Good morning. Look at that selling pressure right there. We get below this 15-minute range, but we got a lot of buying pressure right below us, so. What size are you in at? Are you doing minis, micros? Touch that yellow line with follow through. I'm jumping back. Oh, you're trading micros? Carmona, how are you doing today, brother? Coming down to my yellow line.
$30, but I've been doing good. Little by little, today. 500, 300, and I got 3 accounts.
You're breaking up somebody. I heard 501, 300, another. So you're making money, and we love to hear it.
Yeah, I'm making money. I have 3 accounts. I got 500 in one, 300 in another, and I'm slowly rotating. But the micros is working for me.
Hey, awesome. Hey, I love to see it working for you, bro.
Yeah,
trading's personal.
300 to 500 a day, I'll lock myself out.
Nice, fam. I love to hear that.
Smart guy, smart man. I need to start doing that.
I mean, it works because then I can just focus on everything else. Because if not, I'm looking at the charts all day trying to see what I can jump in.
Hey, Duane.
Yeah.
The trade, right? It still says I'm in green, but it says 1 sell limit. What does that mean?
That means one contract.
Okay.
240 on 5 accounts right there. Let me make sure a copy traded properly. Okay, so that's stupid. So one account got the 240. The other accounts got 160. That's trash. But anyways, that is on 5 accounts though. So let's see if we get any more moves here. We have news at 10:30. We have news at 10:30.
Made 305.
Hey, let's go, G. Let's go. You know, on the horizontal stream, I'll actually show this just so you guys can see what we've been doing today. So that's what I'm up on the day on my funded account so far. I'll probably trade the 160 accounts a little bit more. Get today account as a trading day. No, I'm not bearish, PO. I just take what the market gives us. That's it. I have a target down here below. Well, it's actually sitting at 972.50. 972.50.
Yeah. Yep.
We went through that 25,000 number. So let's get push a little bit further away. Maybe we could get another bear flag. That'd be really nice.
This, let me show you what he's talking about with the bear flag. You see this? Like that. Wants to go up a little bit. See, look, I'm up.
Let's see that target. Where I said that was 972.75. Okay. I want some type of a slight little push up to build us a bear flag. And that's not happening yet. Because I don't know about y'all, but I've taken it short right at the bottom, and then the market pumped. And your boy was not happy. Coming right down. Oh, this is painful. Coming right down to close to my 972 level that I called out. Let's see, maybe we build a flag right above it. Take us lower. Give me a bear flag, Betsy. I need to see a bear flag. Yeah, that's a good girl. Go ahead, pump it up a little bit higher. Give me a nice little green candle on this 2-minute. All right, good. Giving us some structure here. That's what I want to see. We got just over a minute left on this 2-minute candle. Let's see what we get. The reason why I want a bear flag before taking another short is you don't want to buy a short at the bottom before, right when we start pushing back up. So a bear flag will give us confirmation that we're still going to be continuing down here. Why did people freak out when Trump talks? Because he'll say anything, bro. He'll say anything. That's what gets people nervous. We had that buying wick there. What's up, Big Black? Welcome, bro. Yeah, so if oil's pumping, Nasdaq drops. If Nasdaq's pumping, oil drops. So that's something you guys should pay attention to, since we've been dealing with a lot of oil stuff lately. If oil's pumping, Nasdaq's going to drop. This is going to give us our bear flag. Just waiting. Oh, man. Just wait. Yes, I took a step back there so I would not click the button. Because I don't know about y'all, I like clicking the buttons. I'm like a big old kid. We got a new 5-minute candle getting ready to print in 15 seconds. Let's see what I just added on that one. Cool. That's better. That's better. That's what I like to see. That's better. Shorting the bottom. Let's go. We have a bear flag there on the 5-minute and the 2-minute, sir. So I would be, if I'm trying to take a short, I'm waiting for that extra follow through on that line, but that's a short right there. Like, that's all that is. It's not shorting the bottom. You wait for the flag of print and give you the momentum. There we go. We just hit that 972 level that I called out.
$1,300 right there. Well, I shorted from 25K.
Hey, let's go, bro. That's awesome.
I have my boy here witnessing. Like, I called it. I say, look at this. At the 25, I'm gonna short right here and just watch. And it was just kept downtown Julie Brown.
Those wrinkle bars are confusing? No, bro. You just don't know how to read them yet. The wrinkle bars make it easier. Let me check. Because I may have to stop myself from trade. I may have to lock myself out from executing trades. That's not working. Sorry here, brother. See you tonight or in the morning. End of day payouts. Okay, so I need to make a little bit more for the day to actually count. Okay. We got news coming up in a minute now. We got news at 10:30 here. News at 10:30. Let's see if we get another flag here, but we do have news at 10:30 here, so keep that in mind. Less than a minute now. I would not be taking any trades right at 10:30. Just saying. There's the 10:30 news. I closed. I was getting ready to get greedy. I feel like we're getting ready to flush here, but let me just lock it. I was just trying to make sure I got the trading day counted. Let me make sure we did so. Yeah, I'm done trading those. We're good. Let me add up how much we made today, actually. So $3,200 for the day. That's a solid day. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? Keep it simple, base hitting. Why news trading? I don't trade news trading. I never take a trade right when the news drops. Technically I could. But I'm gonna sit around with y'all and vibe and chill. But your boy's not taking any more trades. $3,200 in my funded accounts. That's it. And what's crazy is, right? We printed $3,200 in less than an hour of trading. We don't start trading until 9:45. So that's pretty solid for a work day. Guys, folks, everyone listening, make sure you keep this simple. Make sure you keep trading simple. The more you complicate it, the harder it is. The easier you make it for yourself, the better your results. Trust me, I'm living proof of it. Legal jobs. Gus, no, I don't use trend lines. On the Rincos, they do pop up automatically, but I'm not using those. I feel like we may take out that overnight low, that 953 level. That's a possibility right now. Taking out that low, that 953 level for the overnight session. Right now, we're consolidating on those Renko bars. What a day, what a day. I'm gonna have to close one eye so I don't get tempted. So I don't get tempted to click the button. Yeah, that 953 level's calling collect. If you see it, just no, big black. I can't do that, bro. Can't do that. It has to be like something crazy for me to want to jump back in. I made $3,200. You'll take it for me? Appreciate you, bro. I just don't want to give any money back. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the whole thing. I don't want to give any money back. And the way to prevent giving money back to the market is you lock your profit in, you walk away, you come back the next day. Andrew, I thought I already sent that, bro. Let me double check. Hold on. Hopefully I typed in the right email. Or else someone else just got a workspace. Next day, you down 3K on an eval? No. Try it this way. No, let me drag it. My bad. I'm not looking at the chat right this second. I'm trying to get something handled for one of my members. One of the members of the Legacy Wealth Society. Mr. Andrew. How many screens do I use? I have 2 laptops pulled up. That's it. One, I only have my trading view on with the 2-minute chart. The other one is the screen that you guys see. Yeah, this. I don't know why that's saying that's not an email. That's his email. Okay. I'm trying to put your email in, but it's saying something weird. Okay, there we go. Andrew, check your email. Yeah, still looking like a very beautiful looking bear flag. On the 2 minute, possibly. It could try going the other way right there, but I wouldn't be looking for any long until getting above the 21 EMA. Let's see what the chat talking about. Travis, it's going great, bro. Up $3,200 for the day. I'm chilling. Yes, sir. Got you, bro. Next week, we'll be doing the strategy call, just so you know, for the builders. Gee, how you doing, bro? You still over there staying off that payout account that you requested that payout on? You better be. Don't be trading it.
No. I am done trading. I'm chilling. I'm watching.
Yeah, same here. I'm just sitting back, relaxing with y'all. That's it.
I'm like 200. 200 and some change away from another funded on Lucid.
Okay, nice.
So, but I'm like, I'll get them tomorrow. I'm done.
Yeah. Don't overtrade. You did what you had to do today. You secured a $1,500 payout, sir.
Yeah, man.
That's amazing.
So now let's just say, right? So after next week, still just 250 a day, and then request a 2K payout.
Yeah, but since that one was with Apex, right? My recommendation: do not trade that account next week.
Okay, don't. Okay.
Do not trade that account until they pull the funds out of your account.
Okay. All right, got you.
Just so that way you don't end up going on tilt and then you lose the account and then you don't get the payout.
Okay.
It's happened to me. You know what I'm saying? Like,
nah, I won't touch. Listen, once I'm about to get some more accounts. I'm about to buy some more accounts anyway, so I won't even touch that one.
yeah. So today's their last day for the 90% off with Tradeify with Apex. Code save now and that'll get you 90% off. But they also raised their prices, so it's not really a discount.
Is there a way we could? Because they got the fee. If that's the case, I might as well just stick to either Lucid, Take Profit, and Tradeify.
Honestly, I would stick to Tradeify and Lucid.
Yeah, man.
Because they raised the fee, like you pay $34 and some change, but then they have a $119 activation fee.
No, hell no. Nope.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't worth it.
No.
Unless you're trying to scale, it's not worth it.
Right. Damn, so I imagine having 20 accounts, you gotta pay what? But damn. That fee gonna be up there.
Oh, 100%. I activated 5 accounts with them, right? That was just under $600.
Damn.
5 PA accounts. But what I'm doing with what's it called, Apex, I am going to build it to about 15 to 20 accounts, and that's just going to be my extra play money off the end that I'm not even thinking about, where I'm not even thinking about how many days I've traded it, anything like that. So that I am going to keep trading with them, because I'm going to grab another like 10 accounts today, actually. And then
For what, Apex?
From Apex, yeah. Get those funded.
Got it.
And that'll be
Duane, they don't have the option. They don't have that option to where you could when there's no fee, you just pay like the.
No, that's how Apex makes their money, bro.
Oh,
They be taxing.
Indeed,
But
man.
but you're able to trade way more accounts.
Yeah, that's the good thing. But okay, so how much with Tradeify? How many accounts you can get at a time?
You can only have 5 funded accounts with Tradeify.
Oh shit! So wow. So what about Lucid?
Same thing, 5 funded accounts with Lucid and 5 funded accounts with Take Profit. Apex is the only firm that lets you get 20 funded accounts.
I'll do it that way then. I'll just do it with Lucid and Tradeify.
All right, let's see what we got in here. Rob, sorry to hear that. Enjoy your workout, fam. What's up, Adam? My Egyptian brothers in the chat. Let's go.
Hey, Duane, you said this weekend? That's when you doing that meetup, right?
No, the 18th. The 18th.
Boy,
Yeah, I'm calling them tomorrow to see if I can switch it to the Lake Mary location.
Lake Mary?
Yeah, since we have more people in that area.
Okay. Lake Mary, not bad.
Yeah, it's closer to you than me. Duane, speak on props versus personal funds. Absolutely, Cap. The captain wants me to speak on prop firms versus personal funds. Personal funds is good, but it's not great. Prop firms are great because you're able to limit your risk. You're able to literally put at risk $100 to make thousands. Where if you're trading personal funds, say you have a $5,000 account, you're using $5,000 to make your money. Where we're trading with prop firms, you're using $100 to make thousands. The math don't be mathin', trading personal funds.
No.
And you're able to have multiple accounts trading prop firms. So you are able to actually produce way more than personal funds. Hold on, gentlemen. Hey, baby. No. What happened? I told you that, but I'm like, hey, I'm not gonna. Yeah, I told you it was tomorrow. You're like, no, it's today. Oh, all right, bet. Do you? Well, honestly, don't. Just leave them. Let them take down whichever ones you want because they're going right back tomorrow. But love you too, baby. All right. And like, I'm gonna show you. So for me, I don't know what streams all you guys are on because we got multiple streams going on. But on the horizontal stream, I'm gonna show you what I did today, trading multiple prop firms with multiple accounts. $3,200 today, $3,200 today. Base hitting. You don't see $1,000 trade, no. Just simple base hits. I made $3,200. It does not take a lot to make big money with prop firms. So that's why I always recommend trading with props over personal funds, because if you only have one account, that means all your eggs are in one basket. So God forbid you mess up one day, you're down and out. Where trading with props, if you lose on one account, you have multiple accounts, you didn't really lose. And if you did only have one account on prop firm and you lost $100. That's way better than trading personal funds. Yep, Tevin, do not do instant funded. It's a waste of money. Instant funded accounts are a waste of money. Go through the challenge. There's no free launch you need to pass the challenge on props. It's easy to pass the accounts with prop firms. if you just do base hits. Most traders fail with profit rooms because they're trying to swing for the fence. If you don't swing for the fence, you'll actually see results. So I said if we get above that 21 EMA, I had my line there. I would take the long, and look what happened. We popped up. Gus, nothing. You're just out the $100 that you spent for the prop account. That's it. Instead of being out a couple thousand on a personal funded account. So if you're looking at prop firms, go with Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, or Apex in that order. Tradeify code LWS, I'll get you 40% off. For Lucid, code VAULT, that'll get you 40% off. For TPT, Take Profit Trade, no fee 40, that'll get you 40% off. And then Apex, save now. Steven, yes, that's just set up on your ATM. But Pio, that's okay, bro. It don't matter how long it takes to pass. Like, stop putting a time limit on yourself. So, Steven, if you're trading like on Ninja Trade, you put that in your ATM strategy. Same thing with Tradeify. I'm feeling kind of bullish right now. Not gonna lie, I want to take another trade, but I know I shouldn't. Is that my landscaper? Let's double check. You're going to take it, bro. Take it and go, bro. Take it and go. Don't over risk it. We need to get above this 39 level. This 39 has been the bane of our existence since last night's overnight session. Steven, each new day is a learning experience, bro. We're just trying to become better than we were yesterday. That's it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this, bro? This is trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, by the way. That top chart's Renko bars, if that's what you're wondering what it is. Where'd my music go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's this thing doing? No, I'm not reading this chat. It's just there for fun, actually. You work in the hospital or what, bro? No, I do not work in the hospital. I haven't worked for anybody for the past 11, 12 years. There's a lag. My internet just did something weird. Let me know we're good. We got news at 11:30. News at 11:30. The stream is lagging. Let's go, Brett. Yeah, Duane, you're streaming about crash. Let's see. Uh-oh. Everyone's saying we about crash. That's not good. Yeah, my internet's like mad slow right now. No bueno. I'm going to the streams now, see, but this thing's moving crazy slow.